Hello chefs, welcome back to Close Kitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be making the famous Popeyes chicken sandwich at home. I found this recipe from Niche Cooks on TikTok, and I will leave his link in the description box below, as well as his YouTube channel. So let's get to the ingredients. I have some cayenne pepper for my heat, some nice crispy pickles. I have some hot sauce, but the recipe requires Tabasco sauce. Next I have some mayo, and I just choose the mayo of my choice. Some paprika. I have 2 eggs, and I prefer cage-free brown eggs. I have some all-purpose flour. My next ingredient is some vegetable oil. The last ingredient is chicken thighs. The recipe calls for salt and pepper, but you guys know I like my chicken fully marinated. Guys, I almost forgot the buttermilk. In a large bowl, I'm adding 2 cups of flour. Next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika. The last ingredient is 1 teaspoon of salt, but since my chicken already has salt, I did half a teaspoon. Now I'm mixing my dry ingredients for my coating. Once I'm done, I'm going to cover it and set it aside. The next step is to prepare my egg wash. I'm adding 2 eggs to my bowl. The next ingredient is 1 cup of buttermilk, and this will make the chicken juicy and tender on the inside. My next step, I am pouring my egg wash over my seasoned chicken. So now I need to coat both sides with the egg wash. Next, I'm coating both sides of my chicken thighs. Next, I am coating the chicken thighs with the egg wash by flipping them a few times in the egg mixture. Now it's time for the second coating. I'm coating each piece of chicken on both sides with my flour mixture, then setting them aside. I'm ready to fry my chicken. I have preheated my oil on medium heat, and I'm adding my coated chicken one at a time. I'm cooking my chicken for at least 10 minutes, and it's golden brown on both sides. Once they are done, I'm placing them on a plate that is lined with some paper towels to remove the excess oil. Look at that beautiful golden brown, mouth-watering piece of chicken. So I have finished frying all the pieces of chicken, and now it's time to make the sauce to go on the bun. For the sauce, the recipe calls for 1 cup of mayo. Next ingredient is some paprika. Last ingredient is some Tabasco sauce, but I'm using a hot sauce of my choice. I'm mixing all my ingredients together until my sauce is nice and creamy. Now it's time to put together my homemade Popeyes chicken sandwich. I have toasted my brioche buns. I'm adding some of that spicy sauce to my bun. Along with that spicy sauce, I'm adding a little bit of pickles. And now the main and best part of the sandwich, the chicken. There it is, guys. This is my homemade Popeyes chicken sandwich. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.